Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason, and today I'm here with a new guest on the show, Claire.
Hi, Jason. Hi, everyone listening. I'm really happy to be here with you today.
I'm happy you're here too, Claire. Today we're going to talk about a big topic for English learners, how to stop translating in your head and start thinking in English.
Yes, this is such an important topic. So many students tell me, I always translate in my head. It's so slow. I don't know how to stop.
Exactly. I remember doing that when I was learning another language. I heard something, then I translated it, then I tried to answer, and by the time I was ready, the conversation had already moved on.
Yes, the other person is already talking about something else, and you're still inside your head.
So let's describe the problem very clearly. When we say translating in your head, what do we mean?
We mean this. You hear English, then your brain changes it into your language, then you think of an answer in your language, then you try to change it back into English.
So English to your language to English again.
Exactly, and that is a lot of work.
And the main problem is that it's slow.
Very slow. In real conversations, people speak fast. They don't wait while you translate every word.
Right. Someone says, "How was your day?" And while you're translating each word, they're already telling a story about their dog or their job.
Yes, so you feel like you are always late, always one step behind.
Another problem is that languages don't match perfectly.
Yes, one word in English can have many meanings. One word in your language might not have a perfect English twin.
So if you try to translate word by word, sometimes the sentence sounds strange.
Or wrong, or funny in a bad way.
So our goal today is different. Our goal is to help you build a direct road inside your brain, from ideas and feelings straight to English.
Yes, we want English to connect directly to what you see, what you feel, what you do, not always to your first language.
And we're going to talk about simple tips, nothing crazy, just small things you can do every day.
Exactly. Small steps, but if you do them again and again, they change the way your brain works.
All right, let's start with the first idea. Claire, what's the first small step?
The first step is to start really small with single words, very simple.
Single words. I like that. How does that work?
You look around you and you name things, but you name them in English only.
So right now, for example, I see a microphone.
Yes, you don't think of the word in your language. You look at it and you think, microphone.
I also see a desk, a chair, a window.
Exactly. You see the object and your brain says the English word. Desk, chair, window, computer, cup.
So the rule is see the thing, think only the English word.
Yes, no step in the middle, no translation.
It's like you are putting sticky labels on the world, but the labels are in English.
I love that image. You are turning your room into an English room.
How long should someone do this?
Just a few minutes every day, maybe 5 minutes. Walk around your room or your home, look at objects, and think the English word.
So in the kitchen, plate, spoon, knife, fridge, oven, sink.
Exactly. In the bedroom, bed, pillow, blanket, window, lamp, wardrobe.
In the office, laptop, screen, mouse, headphones, notebook, pen.
Yes, and you can say the words in your head or even quietly with your mouth if you want.
And what does this do inside the brain?
It builds a direct connection, object, English word, so the object doesn't go to your language first.
Like making a new road, a shortcut.
Yes, at first the road is small, but the more you use it, the bigger and faster it becomes.
That's a nice first step. Very easy. Anyone can do it.
Exactly, and you don't need books or anything special, just the things around you.
Okay, what about the second step? How can learners go further with single words?
The second step is to use pictures.
Pictures?
Yes, for example, flashcards. On one side of the card you have a picture, on the other side you have the English word.
So one card might have a picture of a sun on the front and the word sun on the back.
Yes, you look at the picture and you think sun. You don't think of the word in your language.
The picture is universal. A sun looks like a sun everywhere.
Exactly. So your brain can connect the image directly to the English word.
What other pictures can people use?
Animals, dog, cat, bird, fish, horse, food, apple, banana, bread, rice, pizza, everyday things, phone, key, bottle, door, car.
So you can buy flashcards or even make your own.
Yes, making your own is also a good exercise. You can draw simple pictures or print them.
And how do you practice with them?
You look at the picture and you say the English word in your head or out loud. Then you turn the card to check.
Almost like a little game?
Yes, you can also time yourself. For example, how many cards can I name in 1 minute?
That makes it fun.
Fun is very important. If you enjoy it, you will do it more often.
So, step 1, label real objects. Step 2, use pictures. What comes next?
Next, we move to very simple sentences.
Okay, so we go from words to sentences.
Yes, but very, very easy sentences, not long or complicated.
How simple are we talking?
For example, sentences about feelings. I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I'm cold.
So we connect the feeling directly to the English sentence.
Exactly. When you feel happy, you say in your head, I am happy.
Not, how do I say this in my language, and then translate.
No, you feel the emotion and your brain gives you the English phrase.
So if I feel sleepy, I think, I am sleepy.
Yes, if you feel stressed, you think, I am stressed.
I like that because you can practice all day.
That's the idea. You use your real life as practice.
What about actions?
Actions are great for this. For example, when you drink water, you can think, I drink water, or I am drinking water.
So I take a glass, I lift it, I drink, and in my head there is a little voice saying, I am drinking water.
Exactly. When you open a door, you think, I open the door.
When I sit down, I sit down.
When you stand up, you think, I stand up.
When I walk, I am walking.
When you write, you think, I am writing.
It's like you are narrating your own life in very simple English.
Yes, like a simple story about what you are doing right now.
Some learners may think that sounds silly
It can feel a little strange at first, yes, but it's powerful.
because, again, we are doing the same thing, direct connection.
Exactly. Action, English phrase. Feeling, English phrase.
And we're not thinking about our first language at all.
That's the key. We are teaching the brain that English can be the first choice, not the second.
How much time should people spend on these simple sentences?
Just like with single words, a little bit every day is enough. A few minutes, many times.
So, for example, while I'm making breakfast, I can practice saying, I am cooking, I am eating, I am washing the dishes.
Yes, while you walk to work, I am walking to work. I am waiting for the bus.
While you are in the office, I am checking my email, I am writing a message.
Exactly. It doesn't need to be all day, but short moments during the day.
All right, so we have objects, pictures, simple sentences. What else can help people think in English?
Another big tip is to listen and watch a lot of easy English with pictures.
Like cartoons or simple videos.
Yes, especially things where you can see what is happening.
Why are cartoons and simple shows so useful?
Because they are visual. When someone says, look at the ball, you actually see a ball on the screen.
So again, we have sound and picture together.
Yes, your brain connects the English sound with the image.
And you don't have time to translate each word. The story is moving.
Exactly. You just follow the story with your eyes and ears.
For example, a character might say, I'm hungry, and then he goes to the kitchen and opens the fridge.
Yes, and you see and understand what hungry means without translating.
So the idea is to choose very simple content, maybe made for children or for beginners.
Yes, short videos, cartoons, simple stories, basic podcasts where people speak slowly and clearly.
Like this one.
Yes, exactly like this conversation.
How can learners use these videos?
First, they can just watch and listen. No stress, no need to understand every word.
So step 1, relax and enjoy.
Yes, just let your brain hear the language.
Step 2,
Second, if there are subtitles in English, you can read a little too, but slowly.
and maybe watch the same video more than once.
Yes, the first time you understand a little, the second time more, the third time even more.
That repetition helps build those direct connections.
Exactly. Your brain starts to recognize expressions as whole pieces, not word by word.
So instead of translating I don't know word by word, your brain just hears I don't know as one block.
Yes, and you feel it, you don't translate it.
Songs can also help, right?
Yes, especially simple songs with actions. For example, songs about body parts, days of the week, actions like stand up, sit down, clap your hands.
So you hear the word, you do the action, you see the action.
Triple connection: sound, movement, meaning.
That's very powerful.
And again, the important message is don't worry if you don't understand every word.
The brain can still learn from context.
Exactly.
Okay, we have a lot of practical tips now, but I know many learners still say, I try, but I still translate. I feel frustrated.
Yes, this is normal. This is where another important idea comes: patience.
Being patient with yourself.
Yes, you have probably translated in your head for many years. It's a habit.
And habits take time to change.
Exactly. You can't say, from tomorrow I will think only in English 100%. That's not realistic.
It's like going to the gym one time and expecting to be super strong the next day.
Yes, you need many, many small sessions.
So what should learners do when they notice that they are translating?
First, don't be angry. Don't say, I'm terrible, I will never learn.
Very important.
Instead, you can say, okay, I translated that. No problem. Let me try a simple sentence in English now.
So we notice it, but we don't attack ourselves.
Exactly. We just gently push ourselves back to English.
Maybe say, next sentence, I will try not to translate.
Yes, or use a simple phrase you already know very well. Something like, okay, let's try again, in English.
So even your self-talk can be in English.
Yes, your inner voice slowly changes.
I like that idea. Your inner voice starts to speak in English sometimes.
At first, it's just a few phrases you say all the time.
Like, okay, let's go. No problem. It's okay. Try again.
Yes, these small phrases become automatic.
And automatic phrases are the opposite of translating.
Exactly. They come out fast with no thinking.
Let's give learners some more examples of very simple inner phrases they can use.
Sure, for example, take your time.
Don't worry.
One more time.
I can do this.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Keep going.
All of these are short, simple, and very positive.
They help both your English and your confidence.
Yes, they are good for your brain and for your heart.
I like that.
Me too.
Let's talk about another small trick to think more in English, choosing English moments during the day.
Yes, I like that idea. English moments or English zones.
How would that work?
You can choose a short part of your day where you say, okay, for these 10 minutes, I will try to use only English in my head.
For example, every morning while you make breakfast.
Yes, or every evening while you brush your teeth and get ready for bed.
So that time is like an English-only space in your mind.
Exactly. And it's short, so it doesn't feel scary.
What can learners do in that English moment?
They can describe what they're doing. I am opening the fridge. I am making coffee. I am brushing my teeth.
They can also say how they feel. I am tired. I feel relaxed. I am a little stressed.
Yes, or what they see. The sky is blue. The room is messy. The water is warm.
So we use the same kind of simple sentences we talked about before, but in a special time of day.
Yes, the routine helps your brain remember.
If you do that every day for a month, it can really change something.
Absolutely. Consistency beats intensity. A small thing every day is better than a big thing one time.
Another trick is to play with questions and answers in your head.
Yes, like a mini dialogue with yourself.
For example, you can ask yourself in English, "What am I doing?"
And then answer, I am cooking dinner.
You can ask, "How do I feel?"
And answer, I feel hungry or I feel calm.
You can ask, "What do I want?"
And answer, I want a cup of tea or I want to go for a walk.
So one question, one simple answer.
Yes, and both question and answer are in English.
That's a great mini exercise. You can do it anywhere, even on the bus.
Yes, and nobody knows you're practicing.
Let's also talk about speaking. Many learners think, "I will think in English when I speak perfectly."
Yes, but that is the wrong order.
Exactly. You start thinking in English first, even with mistakes, and your speaking gets better over time.
Yes, thinking in English doesn't mean thinking in perfect, beautiful English. It just means using English words, even if the grammar is not perfect.
So it's okay to think yesterday I go to store in your head at first, as long as you are not translating.
Yes, later, with practice, you'll learn the correct form, yesterday I went to the store. But if you block yourself and say, I can't think in English until my grammar is perfect, you'll never start.
Exactly. It's better to think in baby English than to think in perfect translations.
I like that. Baby English is okay. Yes,
Baby English grows up with time.
let's give our listeners a small list of baby English phrases they can use to describe their day without worrying about perfection.
Okay, for morning, they can use "I wake up," "I get up," "I wash my face," "I brush my teeth," "I eat breakfast."
For work or study, I go to work, I go to school, I read emails, I talk to my boss, I listen to my teacher.
For free time, I watch TV, I listen to music, I play games, I go for a walk.
For feelings, I feel good, I feel bad, I feel tired, I feel excited.
These sentences are very simple, but very powerful as practice.
And the most important thing is you say them directly in English.
Yes, directly connected to your life.
Before we finish, let's do a short review of the main ideas.
Good idea. First, translating in your head is slow and can cause mistakes.
Yes, the goal is to build direct connections so you think in English.
Second, start small with single words. Label real objects around you.
Third, use pictures and flashcards to connect images directly to English words.
Fourth, move to very simple sentences about feelings and actions.
Fifth, watch and listen to easy English with pictures, cartoons, simple videos, songs.
Create short English moments in your day to describe your life in English.
Seventh, use a few simple positive phrases in your head in English to encourage yourself.
And finally, be patient and kind to yourself.
Yes, this is not magic. It's a slow process, like learning to walk.
You fall many times, but every step is progress.
Every little practice builds a stronger English brain.
I think that's a beautiful way to say it.
Thank you.
Claire, thank you so much for this conversation.
Thank you, Jason. It was a pleasure.
And thank you to everyone listening.
Keep practicing, even a little bit every day.
You're doing better than you think.
Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.